Bante. Leave Khartoum state, Mahir state, and other states, and let's see where Somaliland is then.
Who cares about
Do that,
Somaliland?
Do that, innit?
What's not going to do with anything? That's how you know you're travelers, yeah? You keep bringing up. If someone basically has a point of something, yeah? You keep bringing travel. Me, I don't really get it. Me, I'm from Dirra.
So, alright, listen. Alright, listen to this, yeah? So, why you against people? So, you against like the people from the north? I'm not gonna lie, I don't know. You just mentioned us. You're against everyone, so what? So, no, of course. You're on Somali speakers for the moment, my nigga.
Listen. It is no secret that no one from the south is against the north. It is no secret that a lot of people from the north are against the south. It's not a secret, bro.
They're against why? We don't really care about.
No, I said a lot of people. You got to include yourself. Hear what I'm saying to you? There's a lot of, for example, bro, the zeal they have for minorities in the south, blah blah blah. Why don't they have that minority for the north?
Can I see the reason? It could be a reason, yeah, why the land here is still messed up there because they're mistreating people. Like I've seen even recently, there was a Bantu guy. He was injured, yeah, and then they didn't fly him to Turkey or whatever, yeah, innit? And his dad was
returned from Turkey.
Yeah. No, there was a recently.
No, but
I'll get you the video.
No, but I get
Free Khartoum, innit? Free Khartoum state. Wait, Free Khartoum state.
Turkey people
Go say Free Khartoum state. Say Free Khartoum state.
Give them the rest.
No. Free Khartoum state.
What do you mean free from what?
Why not? They want to be free. They don't want to be with Somalia. See? You want to be Somalia? You want to talk about South Somalia? You want to talk about South Somalia?
We never.
You want to be political when it comes to North of Somalia?
You see personally, You see, personally, me, I couldn't care less about Somaliland, yeah, you get me? I just want Somalia to be in general, to be better.
Free Khartoum
I don't care about Somalia.
Free other state.
But again, yeah, sorry. On the occupied. But you had it occupied. But explain to me how they occupied. How? Explain to me why. They're not complaining. I don't really see people complaining.
It's like naive, bro.
Why?
Because what?
But what's this one? I smell some Somaliland phobia, right?
No.
That's what I'm saying.
Let me explain.
I don't know. I see a lot of people Somaliland phobia.
Khalid.
A lot of people dislike. I don't know. You see that? I don't know. I don't know. You see the opposite.
I see a lot of
In
people.
what way?
Somali phobia.
Assalamu alaikum.
Somali phobia.
Allah.
Okay, so it's a division thing. No, I don't know.
Hold on. Listen, sheekana waxay ku timid aan ogaano. Waxay ku timid man's passion for the supposed minorities of the south of Somalia, yeah? Now what I said was, where is your passion for the minorities of the people in the north? Because logically, that's what we're in, fam. Dul bahante wa darot. Can I finish? I'm talking. I'm talking. Malaka gambana, fam. Warsingali wa darot. Dulbahante wa Darod. They are not going to look at their big Darod family and be like, let me be a minority amongst itself. Don't take people for dickheads, bro.
You see that? You see that's how you know this guy.
It's the truth.
Can I speak? No. First of all, First of all, I was talking about. I had a good point of the minority where was treating them right, and he brought it back to where someone from. Me personally, I'm Red Dirra. That's where I'm born and raised. Yeah.
شكل الصومالي حاجة تغانا مركوي.
شكل الصومالي قا.
حاجة تغانا. شكل
from Dirra. Somali city. I can't talk about other people.
No, but you're going off gossip. We live there.
Every land where Somali live is my town.
No, but you're going off gossip. You're going off what you heard. We've experienced Somalia and Somaliland, fam. We're talking about experience from the ground. Are you?
What are you talking about?
I've been to all over Somalia. Have you?
Have you? Have I? I can't because there's war there.
Exactly. Well, guess what? While there's a war, I've been there. So, Shani Somalia, you should get
there's only war in one part of Somalia.
Come on.
What do you mean?
I've been there.
I've met people that. Where is there? Where you been?
Not only that. The narrations that you've heard, is a spectrum because select people are
First of all, yeah, Somali people are known to Kabilis, yeah. That's number one. That's clear. That's actually a fact. Proven fact, yeah. And we're known to be racist, yeah. Facts as well, yeah. Big facts, yeah.
Nah, you gotta take that back.
The people of Bantus, yeah.
You gotta take that back.
Did they get mistreated? Yes, the Bantus get mistreated, yeah.
You gotta take that back.
The Barwanis, Are they looked at as, if you're not basically part of the four big tribes or 5 big tribes of Somalis, yeah?
Like you were saying earlier, the 4.5.
Whether you're Gaboye, whether you're a minority tribe, you're Somali, you're still
So you're
So
telling
then
me,
people don't my people. I can't speak about
I stand
the
on
South.
that.
so you're telling me, yeah, like
I
you
have the
said.
right to speak about any, basically.
But not propaganda though.
Not
They're saying it,
propaganda.
bro. No, but you're
I'm
doing
just saying, you're
No,
the
I'm
one
about
mentioning
him.
Somaliland.
No, I'm
This is
talking
the
about
thing.
him.
This is why I don't deflect you. You know what I don't
I
understand?
talk about
There's
facts.
there's a so where is the, like I'm saying, yeah, where is the Pacific problem in the whole of the Somali region? Really, it's not the north. And you're trying to tell me it's always the people are being occupied in Khartoum State, this, that. Well, it's the total opposite. Why don't you ever talk about what's going on in the south? With the violence.
Alright.
For once, talk about that because it's only the south.
Okay.
Well, I didn't Somali. I get no, I'm asking you a question. As a man from Merkez, as a man from Merkez, I'm asking that just one question.
I'll respond to that. It's very easy.
And that's why I always say.
Okay, let me respond to that.
Because when Somali make a governance, well, you know me. You see me on Somali SS.
No one's gonna hold you against that.
Well, I'm a type of person. I need you good at it. So I don't get this. As soon as something happens, instead of focusing on a problem, guys like you always talk about this division thing. And me as a lander, I'm trying to say, yo, I don't get that.
Okay.
I don't know, Ahmed.
Alright, wait.
No, let him
He
talk.
asked me a question, man.
No, let him talk.
Alright. Okay. Bro, first and foremost, I didn't land the mother so hard in the head. If he did not bring up, hold on. First and foremost, I would not have brought up the whole of Lander talks. The whole of Lander talks. If he did not bring up a non-existent, was it racism in Somalia? Bro, anyone that has been to Hamar knows that no such thing exists. No such thing exists.
No such racism.
No
such
such.
on the Bantus.
Bro, have you been there?
Bruv, I've seen people that's from there.
No,
and they told
madam,
me that.
fear in your. And I got good down in the cook corner, bro.
Huh?
Was it recent?
And I got good down in the cook corner. I said, no, go check in and mess up.
أنا كيف قلت؟
حمر
حمر
حمر بلا كل شيء مال انا حمر انا تقني مجرم حمر انا يجي شكلني
مالك حسد زي where you been؟ بنت تدرب you been you been you just been
He's literally arguing for the sake of arguing. Going back to what we were saying.
The North is racist,
Going
yeah?
back to what we were
You can't, it's not me saying there's no existence
Can't even
racism.
talk.
Let me
finish,
bro.
Let me finish. Alright. Somali واحد يراد الريسيزم مجروح. Somali حتى نقانو listen. Somali حتى نقانو.
What about the 4.5?
Please. Somali حتى نقانو. If you use the word racism against us, Sahib, Somali wa naqana. There is nobody we're not a racist towards. Nobody. So you can't call that racist. عداء وعاننا مذوع وعاننا عرب وعاننا ترجلة وعاننا أنا قد أحلينا عاننا ويتوهم that's not racist.
Cool.
Do you mind?
You talk all day though, like.
Do you mind? Wallah, are you
I'm trying to ask
okay?
you a question.
Bro, are you
I swear
okay?
that every time I speak.
No, are you okay?
No.
Can you talk to this guy?
No, one second.
Can you talk to this guy?
Let me answer after this, yeah. After you finish.
Cool, let me finish.
Alright, cool. Wrap it up and then.
Now, Somalia وحكجروا وحلي هذا قبيل وكجرة. Do you see what I'm saying to you? Somalis are known for that. There is no hiding that. Do you see what I'm saying to you? Yeah? So, and قبيلنا هديل Barwanis are not excluded separately for crying out loud. It's, bruv, قبيل مركي لسكوت دقالها وحال سكوت دقالها دول iyo hanti. Dul iyo hanti ma haystaan. What are we gonna attack them for? They haven't got much. You understand what I'm saying to you? Yeah? Now, cut the long story short. So that's the only reason I brought up North because there's this constant south وحنا كسعود south وحنا كسعود from up there. Come on, fam.
Of course,
Like the only thing. No. دقالة كسعود. Not racist. No. Listen, Somalia دقالة وكجرة. قبيل وكجرة. Listen, دقالة وكجرة. قبيل وكجرة.
No, you know my stance.
ما تدري لكن برواني وشيء قاعد مجرم.
Listen, can I speak
That's
first?
all I'm saying.
Can I speak first?
Brouani
of all?
وشيء مجرم.
You know the Qabili, sometimes you can be a Qabil and it's hidden racism when you Qabili towards when you're basically you hide around Qabil in it, even if you're racist. Somalis are known to be racist. Let's be honest, yeah.
Let's go with it now.
Let's be honest, it's true. This guy made a point basically Somalis are racist. Everyone's sorry.
Is that not true?
Racism. It's true though, but which makes
So how's that racist then?
it makes you big racist if you're racist to everyone.
The guy don't even understand the word racism. The word racism means you discriminate one against the other. If we discriminate against everybody, how is it racism?
It's supremacy, still, to be honest. If you're basically saying, my people are the top here and everyone else is
My people. What my people حتى وعينا. What are you talking about? هو وعينا دارود وعينا إسحاق وعينا. What are you talking about?
You still love them though.
So what do you mean?
There's difference between. If I'm basically being a racist, there was what is it called? Hate. About people, Somali different. Darod guy, I'm not just banter about Isaac, I'm not just banter about, yeah. But it's not really deeply deep in it. But if I'm racist, someone else banter or Barwani, then it's different, isn't it? They take it. Anyway,
if you're talking feelings, then I can't.
Anyway, my whole point was basically just because someone talks about something, yeah, from the if someone from the south speaks about something from the north, and I will speak to you, I won't be like, you're from there, you're Aflagata.
No, that's not it. Why?
I'm from Dirraba. So I'm Aflagata.
Ni Somalia Somali. So ni Somali. So you're telling me as a Somalian, yeah, no matter where you're from, man, hardly correct.
Because you're not even contemplating that you could be wrong. You're not even contemplating that.
We know.
Because you love this position. You're not even contemplating.
Can you give me a video of me talking about Hammer or other stuff like that? Come on, you just assume, bro. You assume, man. You're an emotional guy, man. You're an emotional guy, man.
No one's ever called me that, bro. Ever.
You're emotional, bro, man.
Emotional where? All I'm saying, logic. You're saying you can't be wrong. Although you've never been to Somalia. How are you going to talk? And it didn't
Because I feel for
how?
people and
But you can know more than me, though. But you can know more than me.
Actually from there.
But you can know more than me, though, innit?
Huh?
You can know more than me, innit?
Of course I can know. You can know more than me too.
I know more than you, something.
Of course, I didn't disagree with that. I didn't disagree with that.
You did. You continue.
I did. I was side of it. Did I say it?
So you're saying no one else here, if I'm apart from Mogadishu, yeah, in Nakala Somali or Jordan. No, man. So I don't say, Mutkale or Somali or Kale. And I got the name.
That's not what I'm saying. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, just like he would know Dirrabe more than I would, I would know Hammer more than he would.
Yeah.
Simple.
That's what I said. They're not highlighted.
But so you're telling me what?
It's really that simple.
But even the WhatsApp group here, even our, you know, we will be talking about certain things here. The brother Ali X ain't here, to back here. What about his cause that you, and you saw it on a couple of things? What do you think about that? Yeah. Oh, they're not even Burhanis, man. America, Bernard State in the Gordo.
Yeah, well, Burhanis there. Bernard State, what do you do? I just took Mana Goish, you know. Yeah, well, fam. Well, it's not even worth entertaining, bro. It's literally not worth entertaining. They're not a people. They don't have a distinct culture. They don't have a distinct ethnicity. They don't have a distinct area. Give them a state for what? There's about 10 of them. A state for what?